Well, we've just finished our template website, and it's nice and neat. Look at those neat files there. All our images are inside the images folder. Now, the cascading style sheet template blocked. What's going on here? Oh no, there it goes. It was just arrived. Let's try that again. We do get the block site business a little bit. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now it will run through this in more detail, but there is a movie here which actually plays, a standard movie. There's some code already in the site to run that in HTML3. It doesn't seem like it's going to play now, but when you are shown some examples of previous students' work, you'll see it. Some reflection already given to you as a template. Alright, the actual workings of this file is quite complex. So let's now go to Dreamweaver. We've been looking at our Web 2 template file. Now we're going to look at our CSS cascading style sheet website. I have already opened the style sheet. There it is, default.css. I'm now going to open the index file as well, and we can see that image that we saw a minute ago. Here, if we split it, we can see some of the elements. This is column A, I think. Over on the other side is column B. Now, we also can open our CSS style sheet here, and we can drag this down a little to see a bit more about the styles and the rules and so on. Let's go up here to the styles, the top header, and it's got all sorts of details there. Now, most of that detail is in this style sheet. If we have a look at the body, it uses image1.gif. I'd like to go to image1 now and open it in Fireworks. Images, image1. Now right click, open with. Fireworks is not here. We're going to have to choose the default program. Still not there. Browse. Some more tricks. Now in program files, it's not in program files, it's in program files X. Oh, you only have you don't have an x86 folder, so let's have a look. Sorry, Adobe and Adobe Fireworks. And have we got, yes, there we go, Fireworks. Now this time I am going to make the Fireworks the default program for opening GIF files. So once that's done, it'll stay done. Okay, so we can see that some of our files are GIFs and some of them are Adobe Fireworks PNG files. So to edit our GIF file, it'll be easier in Fireworks. Now it takes a little while to open. What we're going to see is that this is just a small light blue box, and what I'm going to do is change it to a dark blue box, and well, I'll change it maybe to a green box. So before we start, I'm going to do File as, Save As, and I'm going to do image1 version 2, save. I'm going to find my pens here, my paint bucket. We're still saving, I think, and so I'm just, yep, here we go. Can I get my paint bucket, my colors? Why don't we have a pale green, and drop our paint bucket. Where's our tool for paint buckets? Where is our tool? Have we got the paint bucket at the moment? There it is. Okay, so it's a fairly bright green, and Control S. Now let's go back into our folder here for a minute. What I'm going to do, I'll have to refresh this, and I have image1 version 2. Now I'm just going to call this original, and I'm going to make this one our image 1. Let's have a look at our website now. Update, no change. That's strange. And we'll just change, no change. I'm very surprised. Let's have a look in Dreamweaver. It's been modified outside Dreamweaver, yes. And again, so these files are both saved. Alt tab, refresh, no change.